I guess you notice we didn't take the inner rocker off. Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we'll be concentrating on the inner rocker. I did a little bit of grinding before this, so kind of worked on that a little bit. I'll show you what it looks like. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look good either. But anyways, before I pull this off, I think I'm gonna re-drill those holes, and then we'll need to bend this front brace when the tab's up. And I think we're gonna try to tack it better, drill those small spot hole welds out larger. So if we can't get that stuck to the braces, and if we get them stuck, then we can go ahead and weld all the spot weld holes at the top, and maybe this seam here and the little tabs in the back. But the main goal is just mainly getting the inner rocker attached and grinding some more, which I'll do that off camera because that's just time consuming and boring in my opinion. I think tomorrow I'm going to come in and grind the rest of this top pan and this transmission tunnel here. That way we'll be free to put the kick panel on Friday. Then I'll just grind the rest of this weekend, get it down, and then we'll clean it off and hopefully use some of that etching primer on it. Let the jack down and flip it around, and hopefully Monday or Tuesday, or Monday or Wednesday, we'll be looking at the driver's side. See what we need to do there. But like I said, tonight, it's just concentrate on this inner rocker here, getting it tacked. Let's go there and pull it off, and we'll start re-drilling, and then we'll put it back on and start welding. I guess you notice we didn't take the inner rocker off. So I attached it pretty good down here, and it's on there, and I had to do the same right here. But I think I got these decent. We do have some issues up here. Maybe not. Yeah, right there. See, I didn't get a good weld. So we might put a bead right here, hammer that down a little bit. Just put one right there. But everywhere else seems to been tacked pretty good. Of course, a lot of cleanup. Didn't make it out here yet, but we will hopefully do that here pretty soon. It's a tight fit, but anyways, we'll clean all that up. Now that's tacked in. Go ahead and ground this down some. It's still in there pretty good. Nothing has broke loose yet, which is good. So I think some of these actually stuck, but I think once we kind of knock this down a little bit more and run that flap disc over it, and we prime it and seam seal it, it should be all right. But yeah, I got a lot of grinding to do, and hopefully Friday we'll be putting on the kick panel. At least that's my plan. But we're moving pretty good. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. So we got the inner rocker tacked in. Just need to do a little bit of welding around the seam and attach it back here to the rear tub. But I think it got pretty good welds through here. Some of them up top didn't really stick, so we'll just put a little bead in that little groove. But I'm gonna come in tomorrow and keep grinding. Need to get all this ground down up here. That way we can put the kick panel up, and we don't have to worry about trying to get in there and grind around. And of course right through here too, need to grind that down some. But we're looking good to have the kick panel in by Friday. And then I'll get some etching primer, and we'll prime everything and then seam seal it. So it'll be ready, hopefully. See. But and I do think if I ever go underneath Bronco and weld again, I'm gonna need something with long sleeves and something covers my head a little bit more, because I think I've singed some hair underneath there. Actually felt one touch my scalp, which I didn't feel too great, but I think I burned my finger. I did burn my finger. Anyways, something to take note of. Probably need to wear both my gloves, but it is tacked, and I think it'll be all right. But anyways, we'll finish up welding next time, hopefully, and move on to installing the kick panel, like I said, and then we'll flip it and start on the driver's side. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. It does really mean a lot to the channel. Like I said, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's gonna be over the Bronco unless I bring something new in, which I don't have any plans to yet. So we'll keep on this, and hopefully by next week we'll be looking at the driver's side a little bit more in depth and see what we need to do there. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.